Hey guys, this is Shovan from Popsuite. If you're using Klaviyo to send emails to your customers, do email marketing campaign for an e-commerce store, then this video clearly demonstrates how to integrate Popsuite with your Klaviyo account. If you're using Popsuite to collect email IDs from your e-commerce store, then you need to integrate Klaviyo successfully in order to get an email marketing campaign automations. So let's see how it's done. After logging into your dashboard, go to the integration tab, and here you can see the Klaviyo integration. Since we have already connected the Popsuite with Klaviyo store, you can see the connect button just like this under your dashboard. Click that and you will be required to give a private API key. To find the private API key, go to the Klaviyo dashboard and select settings from here bottom. Now under settings you can see the API keys and go to it. Since you already have a private API key created, you can go and create a new private API key from here. Give a name to the private API key and give a full access. This means you're giving a full access to the Popsuite and Klaviyo so that we can get the integration seamlessly. Give a full access key, name, and click create. We are not going to create a new private API key since we already have created and connected to it. Copy the API key and paste it in the dialog box of the Klaviyo and then connect it. Once that is done, your Klaviyo's account has been connected successfully with the Popsuite. Now let's see how you can select a specific email list of your Klaviyo account in order to save a email ID which is collected from your video bubble widget. As you can see in Klaviyo dashboard, you might have multiple email lists, but in order to select a one specific list, you need a list ID. So to find the list ID, you have to select which list you're going to save the email ID which you're collecting from your website, and I'm using Popsuite in for this demonstration purpose. Go to settings under the list settings, and here you can see the list ID. Copy the list ID and paste it in the widget which you're using on your website to collect the email IDs. I'm using this widget in my website, so I'm going to scroll down, and here in autoresponder integration you can see the Klaviyo list ID. You can paste the ID and don't forget to update the widget. And also please double check the settings of the form settings before. As you can see, even though I'm just collecting email ID, I have to check these settings of first field, so the input type should be text, it should be true, and no validation for name inputs, so confirm it. And I'm collecting email ID, so I'm also going to check it. Input type should be email, it should be required, so true, and the validation of email should be the email, so confirm it. Doesn't matter if you're collecting names or email, these two fields should be set up properly in order to get a successful automation and integration. So please ensure to set the fields properly so that it will work, otherwise it won't work. So it has been set up properly. Now update the widget. Now let's see whether the integration has properly set up or not. So I'm going to give a email ID for this test purpose. I'm giving test1 at getsuit.com. Click submit and check the distance segments of your Klaviyo dashboard. As you can see, we have collected test1 Popsuite. The integration is successfully. So try yourself, and if you have any doubts, please contact us and we'll help you in setting the Klaviyo integration.